Our second ad has been approved. You can see it's preparing now. What I will do now is I'm going to pause it. Then I am going to create a new campaign, and this new campaign objective, while on the campaign level, I will hit create. I will choose awareness. This awareness will reach more people and it will cost me less. Then I'm going to click on continue, give it a name, targeting Nigeria. Then let's go to ad set. For this ad set, targeting Nigeria, the date is November 2024 and the amount is, to get faster results, I'll do 5K so that we can get faster results to reach more people and high quality people. I will do 10K, but let's leave it at 5K. Then the amount we'll be spending is 5K a day. Audience, switch to original audience, then use save audience. Let's use these, any of these. I think they are the same. I mistakenly saved them 2 times. Let's go to ad level. Here I'm going to give it a name. Let's uncheck this. We are going to use existing post. This is where we are going to grab the post ID of our second ad. So I'm going to open a new tab, click on this. Let's go to my ad manager. Then I'm going to go to page post. Okay, we need a code. This is our page. Looking at the time, this was published 12:42 a.m., 12:42, 12:42, 12:39, and this ID are the same. We have 12:39, 12:39. All these ID are almost the same. So which one are we going to choose now? Okay, now there is a problem because we cannot really identify which one is which. So let me go to a new tab because I don't want to use a wrong post ID so that we don't get things wrong. So I'm going to close this one in this tab. Let's close it for now. Then close all these. Go to campaign level. This is the one that has been approved already. Let's go here. Open this one. Let's preview it. Hit the like button. If possible, let's make a comment. Let me make a comment so that I will know. If I see my like and my comment, it becomes very easier for me to know that that is the particular post ID. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Let me give myself love. I'll paste the link here to our WhatsApp as a comment so that the moment I see that comment, I will know that yeah, this is it. Okay, I don't want to make mistake of using a wrong post. Okay, now we have 1 like, 1 love, and 1 comment. Okay, let's go to the second one. The second ad, let's preview it. Okay, this one is an image. Let's hit the like button. This one will be like button. The first one was a video which was heart engagement. So let's also paste the comment here and post it. Okay, now we are going to go back to our post ID where we are looking for the post ID. Let's refresh this. Let's refresh this page. Okay, so we are going to copy all this now. If we like, we can copy the 4 of them and go to your notepad. Let's delete all this one. Let's paste it now. Okay, let's start from, this is assumed to be the image, the last image I posted. This is assumed to be the video. So let me grab this one for now. And I'll come here. Where we have post ID, let's enter the post ID and hit this check mark. We should be able to see, okay, this is actually an image. You see, this was an image, but we are looking for the one for video. Let's see if this is going to be a video. Perhaps this is going to be a video. Let's try it. Let's see if this third one will be the video. This one doesn't have any button. This one doesn't have any like. Means that's not the one we are looking for. What of this first one? Can you see the usefulness of that like that I just did now? Otherwise, we won't know the post we are dealing with. This is not the one. Okay, it's as if all these are images. Let's try these ones. These 4. Let's try all these 4. Just demarcate them a little bit. Let's start from the top. Let's go back. Paste it here and hit the check mark. Okay, now you can see it has given me that particular video where I click the love emoji and 1 comment. So now we know that this is the video we are looking for. So I'm going to publish this now. You can see there's learn more button, there is call to action, all those things we did in sales conversion setup. They are all here. So I'm going to check all the other things like my tracking. Let me check other things like tracking and ensure that the tracking are set up. You can see this is our pixel is on. Let's publish it now. Good. Let's close this. Refresh this. And let's duplicate this. Duplicate. Instead of video now, this one is going to be image. Then we're still using existing post. On the post ID, let's go back to our post ID. Let's try this first one and see whether it's the same. Enter post ID. Let's wait for it to load. You can see this is not it. This is not the one we are looking for. So let's go back. Our post ID, the second one should be the one. Enter post ID. Let's check it. Okay, this is the one we are looking for. That is it. So we are good to go. Let's cross-check our tracking is on. Okay, let's publish it now. So we have two ads now, the image and the video. The image will show in some places while the video will show in some places. We are good to go. Okay, so that is how you can set up your third ad. If you are having a new page, and so we have 3 ads now. From time to time, I'll be adding more. I'll be adding more creative. I'll be adding more ad creative. See you in the next video. Bye.